Hello, I'm Luo. I've been reading a few articles recently discuss how JP Morgan Chase chief executive Jamie Dimon has publicly rallied against the remote work movement. However, this policy doesn't appear to include everyone, particularly executives, who can sometimes have different rules. There's a proverb that describes the same situation. Let's take a look. 只许州官放火，不许百姓点灯。只 only 许允许 allow 州官 governor 放火 to set fire to something 不 not 许允许 allow 百姓 citizens 点灯 to light a candle or to light a lamp 避讳 naming taboo. Ancient China had a unique culture practice known as 避讳. Out of respect, people avoided speaking or writing the names of their monarchs or revealed orders. The months of 避讳including 缺笔 omitting a stroke in the character, usually a final stroke. 缺字 leaving the character as a blank. 换字 change the character to another, usually a sentiment or one that sounds similar to the character being avoided. 改音 change the character's pronunciation. Now that we know what 避讳 means, let's look at the proverb. This proverb means that a person with power can do whatever they want, but forbidden those under their rule from doing the same. In Song dynasty, there was a governor named Tian Deng. He believed himself to be a renowned ruler. He demanded that everyone in his prefecture observe a name too, related to his name. This means people were forbidden from using any character that sounded like Deng. Violators of this order would be punished with flogging. 元宵节 has a customer called 点灯, lighting lanterns. On this evening, various lanterns are hung high on the building throughout the street, and people stroll around carrying beautiful lanterns. Since it's a statewide event, the government, as pre-tradition, intend to announce a 3-day lantern lighting event. However, because they couldn't use the character for 灯, same pronunciation as 灯, due to the 避讳, the announcement was changed to 本周一例放火3日. This proclamation, in the eyes of the public, became a state where, as pre-customer, set fires for 3 days. All the citizens who saw this announcement ridiculed the governor, exclaiming, "Look, the governor only allows themselves to set a fire in the state, but doesn't allow ordinary citizens to light a candle." Thus, this idiom later came to signify the disparity between those at the top, who have free rein, and those beneath them, who are bound by various constraints. We have similar expressions like 双重标准. 双重标准. Most of the time, you will see this term shortened to 双标. It means double standards. This term refers directly to a situation in which two different sets of principles or standards are applied to similar situations. Although it's not an idiom, it's perfectly described the underlying concept. 在疫情期间，英国前首相下令不准聚会，却在官邸开宴会，真的是标准的只许州官放火，不许百姓点灯。During the pandemic, the former British Prime Minister Bennett Garden, yet held parties at his official residence. It was a classic case of one loaf of land and all of us. CEO 拿到奖金，一般员工却减薪，根本双标嘛。The CEO gets a bonus while a regular employee face pay cuts. That's double standards. Now let's have a quick review. 只许州官放火，不许百姓点灯。双重标准，双标。Both terms are used to criticize. Authority can act with impunity, while ordinary people are forbidden from performing much simpler, harmless, or even necessary actions. Okay, it's today's video. I hope you like it and share your idea with me. Thank you for watching and see you next time.